How to activate dark mode on Skype for iPhone. If you want to activate dark mode on Skype for iPhone, tap on the profile picture from the top center. Here, tap on Settings, last option from the menu. Now tap on Appearance. Here, you can easily enable dark mode on Skype for iPhone by tapping Dark on the Modes option. Also, you can change the primary color for the Skype app. You can choose what color defines you better. You also have high contrast dark theme here if you like this. But I mostly like the default dark mode. Please note, for high contrast dark, you will not be able to select a color for your customization. You have now activated dark mode on Skype for iPhone. If this was useful, please like, share and subscribe. You can also watch more videos from the right. Also, if you have any questions, please ask them in the comments area below.